When filling in the electron orbital configuration orbital diagram with d electrons, we're going to follow the same principles we did with Hund's rule for the p electrons. We just have more options because remember there's 5 d orbitals in the d sublevel. So we're going to start with manganese, and to make our life a little bit easier, we're going to write the noble gas configuration for it. So the noble gas that ended the row before manganese is argon, so we're going to go argon 4s2. And don't forget, when you get to the D sublevel, it drops down at energy level, so 3D, and we count over 5. So that means that this atom has full electron orbitals all the way up until 4s2. So we, get all this fun job of drawing in these electron arrows all the way up to 4s2. All right, so we're going to fill them all in. Remember, we're doing singly before pairing. According to Hund's rule, electrons always spin in opposite spin in the same orbital. So we've got 4s2. So we're going to put 2 electrons in the 4s. 3d 5, we're going to put 5 electrons in the 3d. We're going to put them in singly before pairing according to Hund's rule so that those electrons can space out and be as far away from each other as possible to reduce the repulsion between them. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, we always start with up arrows according to the Pauli exclusion principle. Let's do another one for nickel. This one also has argon as the noble gas that ended the row before it. So we have argon 4s2, and then when we get to the D sublevel, it's 3D, and we count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 squares. So that means, again, that nickels, all of its energy levels are full until you get to the 4s sublevel. So we get to draw more electron arrows, representing that the electrons are filling these orbitals from the lowest energy to the highest energy, spinning in opposite directions to reduce the repulsions between them, and filling energy orbitals singly before pairing. So we're up to 4s2. So 4s2, 3d 8. So following Hund's rule, we're going to do these singly before pairing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now I start pairing. 6, 7, 8. So notice how we always do singly before pairing, and then we can start to pair to finish filling out that sublevel.